Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to format a larger USB flash drive as FAT32. So you noticed if you try and do so in Windows, we have this 128 gig flash drive here. And if we go to Format, you can see we only have NTFS and exFAT. And that's because Windows will not allow you to format a flash drive that is larger than 32 gigabytes as FAT32. But there is an easy way around this. So we just did a video recently on how you could use Rufus to do so, but now we're going to show you another free tool you could use as well in case you like this better. All right, so let me close this out here. So what we're going to use here is called FAT32 Format GUI. So this is a free version. There is another version out there that has some more advanced features that is not free, but if you want to do it for free, you could use this one. So we could get it off the Softpedia site here. I'll put this link in the description. So you just want to click on download and then pick this secure download here. All right, we'll save this on our desktop here, for example. All right, so it's going to be a zip file, so we're just going to right click it, extract all. We'll stick it on the desktop as well. All right, so you have a Mac OS version and then this version here. All right, so you're going to want to run the 64-bit version. So we'll double click this, say yes to the UAC prompt, so you'll need to be an administrator to run this. All right, so the key here is to close all your File Explorer windows or anything that has the flash drive open as well. Otherwise, you'll get an error. All right, so you got to pick your drive. So I guess before we close File Explorer, we'll go back and make sure we have the right drive letter. So we want drive letter F. So if you have more than one, make sure you choose the correct one because it'll also let you pick your non-flash drive hard drive, so you don't want to format one of those on accident. All right, so for the allocation unit size, the 32K is recommended for the larger flash drives. You could change the label if you want. So we'll just click on Start. So it's telling you everything on the drive will be lost, so click OK. All right, so it looks like it worked there. So now we can go back into File Explorer. Right click, Properties, and you can see that we have FAT32 now. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty simple to do. All right, so once again, I will put a link in the description for the FAT32 Format GUI app, and you can try it out for yourself. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.